Welcome to LiveFit with me, Stace Holland, the show where I help you find your fit and find your happy.
As adults, we forget to have fun, we forget to enjoy it.
A lot of the times people say to me, I really do want to be healthy, I just can't afford it.
I'm not very good with a budget, but yes, we're winning.
Most things that come in a packet with a list of ingredients are not food.
My biggest challenge was portion control. I mean, I just love food. I am a foodie.
Bouncing is one of the best things that you can do for your health.
Stretching techniques and stretching movements to improve your sexual experience.
And this is where people are going wrong, because we expect big mass food supermarkets to feed us and to nurture us and to look after our health, because we're not prepared to take the time to do it ourselves.